How much should I pay myself as a small business owner? We're going to tell you.
We're worth it. Are you worth it?
If you're a small business owner and you're not paying yourself $170,000 per year, then you're undervaluing yourself.
According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, a human life is worth approximately $13 million. The average life expectancy in the U.S. today is 77 years. So if you calculate it on the back of an envelope, you would see that each year of your life is worth about $170,000. So no matter what line of work you're in, if you're not putting at least $170,000 in your pocket each year, you're wasting a year of your life.
And we didn't do that when we started our business, so that's why we're warning you not to make the same mistake. Recently, we looked at our Social Security statement online, you know how you can do that? And there were actually a few years where we had $0 in income.
We won't do that again. As an entrepreneur, how do you get yourself paid?
Well, first, you have to decide whether to pay yourself a salary, and that's withholding taxes, or if you're going to take an owner's draw, that's distributions from the profit. Ourselves, we like the salary route because it helps you be more disciplined and stick to your own personal budget and your business budget, and that's so critical when you're starting out. It's a little too easy to take a little bit here and take a little bit there when you need it.
From your profits.
That can snowball and become an accounting just quagmire.
Second, even as you grow and add employees, and we're going to make a video on that too, check in the links in the description below for that one, a good rule of thumb is that approximately 20% of your revenue should go to payroll. So what do you anticipate your annual revenue to be? As a solopreneur, pay yourself 20% of that. Evaluate it every year, like when you file your taxes, and as you add employees, aim for this target each year. If you find that you're adding employees and your pay is going down, then that is a sign that the employees that you've brought on are not creating value for you.
And third, don't forget the perks. Taxes, health insurance, retirement contributions. These are all part of payroll, and they're a savings account in one form or another. So you're putting that money in that you can't spend today so that it grows in value and you get the benefits later on. Don't cheat yourself on your future.
And what is the value of happiness? Now, this is a loaded question and is obviously going to vary according to individual or the cost of living where you happen to live. But the most recent global studies lands on an average figure for happiness of around $95,000 per year. That's the amount in which people have maximized their happiness levels, meaning that all of their needs are met and working harder to bring home more money just adds more stress, which then starts to lower your level of happiness. Now, you might say that that $95,000 is a lot less than the $170,000 we mentioned at the beginning of this video, but it's really not. When people answer this type of question in this survey, they are generally thinking of cash in hand. So if you took $170,000, your total payroll, subtracted taxes, insurance, funding for your retirement, you're getting pretty close to that $95,000 figure in hand.
So remember, G, get yourself on that payroll.
O, operate within your payroll budget.
A, account for the future.
And T, talk honestly to yourself about what you need to be happy.
Did you get a lot of ideas from that? Well, if you want even more ideas, we want you to check out this video in the description, How to Build a Successful Business, because it's just chock full of more of our tips of how to build a GOAT business, and we're giving it all to you free.
And subscribe to our channel.
I'm Josh Kilmer-Purcell.
And I'm Dr. Brent.
And we started our GOAT business, Beekman 1802, and now we want to help you start yours.
Get some GOAT wisdom.